because I was just coming back from that place, the event hall, when they're doing that big launch. So that place itself is just very, it's not big like that. I really sorry. My battery is very very low. I will just do small video and just cut this thing because it's not because of my phone. See this old woman. So clock it, guys. Me sef wey to greet person sef dey very very hard. I go come dey greet person abi. So I don't even care. Feel like I go stop very soon. My battery dey very very low. Abeg.